It's Bill from Melbourne City Painting, and here we are at Simon Perel, lingerie manufacturer from France, in the factory outlet in Brunswick Road, Brunswick, which has been seriously damaged by vandals who applied graffiti over a couple of years where we had COVID lockdowns and made the place look extremely unsightly. And it wasn't even good graffiti. So the client asked us to come in and give the place a freshen up. At the same time, help out the signwriters by taking down the old signs, and also attend to the windows that had graffiti on them and remove the graffiti by cleaning the glass as well as painting the window frames. And after a couple of days, you can see the difference has been dramatic. Simon Perel now has a factory outlet that they can be proud of, with no graffiti, and is now very easy to maintain, where if graffiti happens again, it can be repainted over the top with the same black color that we left on site for them. Now, the signwriter and Melbourne City Painting worked in conjunction with the council to get permission to have access to the footpath. As a result of that, we installed traffic management, and we had to liaise with the electricity provider to put tiger tails and receive a permit to work underneath the live power lines that you can see out the front of the building. Now, the entrance was painted in white to have a freshen up so that the place looks really amazing and so that it pops and is very visible to the public entering. New signs were installed, and all areas of graffiti were removed, and all glass was cleaned, and all doors were covered over so that there is no more graffiti. We also arranged with the client to attend to any further graffiti attacks, so we will receive a call out and attend to that within a couple of days to make sure that we stay on top of any graffiti attacks and that they are not able to keep applying graffiti and making the place look unsightly. We also spray painted the roller doors that were terribly graffitied and vandalized, and that was able to address the issue of how we were going to paint over them effectively and efficiently. We also painted over a small patch of graffiti and colour matched the colour as best as possible to the side of the building. And as a result of that, this place is looking really amazing. It's something that the company can be proud of. Clients don't have to turn up here and see all the unsightly junk when they're looking to do their factory purchases. And this place is something that we are really proud of. If you're looking for a painter in Melbourne, call Bill on 0403 162 374, and we'll liaise with all stakeholders to make sure that we get the job done appropriately and with all permits and permissions that are required.